Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet.
But he's holding it with his hands. He's holding it with his hands. Hi, buddy. Oh, where's your ball? Where's your ball? Hi, buddy. Oh, no! Oh,
Woo! Okay, this is gonna be easy. Sorry, buddy.
This random guy walked behind the counter at a restaurant and pretended that he worked there and started taking orders.
I can help you right here. Right next in line. You're next. Okay. Hey, what can I get for you? Okay. Yeah, we actually have our pick two. Yeah, you pick two, so you can get like a sandwich, a bowl of soup.
A manager then asked him where his work uniform was.
Yeah, sorry, I forgot my apron at home. Yeah. Okay. You want me to just go to the back and get a new one? Yeah. Okay.
He pretended to get a new apron and then just left.
Thank you.
Okay. Alright. There you go. Why do you like the earlobes? It's so crazy.
This is a speed chess competition where each side has 3 minutes to finish a game of chess. Just to show off his confidence, this chess champion spent his first 20 seconds on the clock getting comfy. He ended up winning with over 40 seconds left to spare. This person likes to pretend that she's sad to get cute reactions from her dogs. There's a sport where the objective is to take a toy torpedo and throw it into the opponent's goal. The hard part is that both goals are deep underwater and people are allowed to try and wrestle it away from you. This person likes to go to protests and draw the action.